Hi there, guys and girls. Good morning to each every one of you. My ever-loving wagon, Britney Cheryl. I'm here in Greenland Subdivision. Britney Cheryl will get fixed today. I hope that Sir Rodel can fix my ever-loving Britney Cheryl before me and Britney Cheryl will have a long drive or we're gonna drive angry going to LA, Legazpi, Alabay, no. No, I mean LAC, Los Angeles, California. No, it's not. Legazpi City. So I just arrived 3 minutes and I'm waiting for my turn before he will assist me. You know what, guys and girls? This is a big village, a large village, and I think this is more. I don't know if our village is same with this one, or this is a more. I'm figuring it out, but I think it's the same or almost. Anyway, so happy to be here. And you know what? I love the houses in here. It's different, and some are old houses, but it's beautiful. So bye for now. Shout out to each every one of you. The sky is not so clear, but just like our dreams, we have to make our dreams come true. Bye for now.